Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix contact name not showing on Android. When contact names are not showing on Android, calls and messages may display only phone numbers instead of saved names. This issue is often caused by contact syncing problems, display settings, or app permissions. Following a few troubleshooting steps can usually restore the correct contact names. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Contacts app. Verify that the missing contact is saved on your phone or Google account. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Select the Contacts app from the list and tap Permissions and make sure Contacts access is enabled or on the allowed. Return to Apps and choose the phone app. Then go to Permissions and confirm also has permission to access contacts. Open Settings and tap Accounts or Passwords in Accounts. Select your Google account. Go to the Account Sync and ensure Contact Sync is turned on. Tap Sync now to refresh your contact data. Restart your Android device after the sync completes. Then open the Phone or Messages app and check whether contact names now appear correctly. If the issue persists, update the Contacts and Phone apps from the Google Play Store and check again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.